All she had to do was to sing a special song. Luckily, the kingdom hid the flower, and it held the queen. She gave birth a beautiful daughter. She was named Rapunzel. Daughter brought into the castle and told it, Rapunzel. Each year for her birthday, the king and queen released thousands of letters, wishing their princess will return. Rapunzel! Rapunzel! Let down your hair! Coming, mother! Mother? Look, mother, as you know, tomorrow is my birthday. I was hoping take me to see the floating lights. You want to go outside? No! There are mean things out there. Remember, I want the best for you. On the other side, there was this guy named King. He and two more guys steal the king's throne. The guard chased him, but King got lost and he discovered the toll.
Le bien saltadas.
I'm not afraid of you.
Hi, I'm Flynn Rider. Where's my satchel?
I hide it. I hide it. I'm gonna propose you. Take me to see the floating lights. Then I will give you your satchel.
Okay, I will take you to the lights.
Rapunzel and Queen start their chase. This was was hidden flowers that had hands back. But Rapunzel discovered they were full guys. So the kingdom guard built things and Rapunzel at the top. But they were luckily unescaped. On the chase, Queen got smashed. But his hands on Rapunzel's skin to sing the magic hidden song. Save what has been lost. Bring back what once was mine. Once was mine.
Ah!
Don't be coward.
No, no, no. I was just admiring the magical qualities of your hair.
That's why my mother never let me leave the house. Because a hair like this needs to be protected. Because if you cut it, it lost its power. So, Rapunzel and Flynn continued their journey. They finally got to the kingdom. There were lots of people and gifts. Rapunzel could see some children hoping the lost princess came back. Rapunzel was finally going to see the floating lights. She had a perfect spot. Whoa! I have something for you. I was supposed to give it soon, but I was scared.
I understand. Thanks.
Later, Rapunzel and Queen were tricked by Neville God. So, Rapunzel fell back to the tower. Queen got in hill, but the guys from the tower saved him. At that instant, he was in his way to the tower to save Rapunzel. After time thinking, just protection his power.
¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué? La cola. No. ¿Qué pasó?
I'm the last princess, am I, Mom? Or I should
Sí,
be
no sé,
all
no
you
sé.
that.
Papi, yo creo que se fue la motora.
Such ridiculous questions. I've been all these years hiding from people when I should be hiding from you.
Yo,
If you want me to be the bad guy, I will be the bad guy.
Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair.
Rapunzel and Cleopatra escaped cutting her hair, so the eldest daughter at that instant turned old. Ah! What have you done?
¿se mató?
Rapunzel came back to her father and mother.
¿Se mató?
Fiddle and King and Rapunzel lived happily ever after.
Qué infeliz es la hija.
Ta-da! King,
And...